Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, March 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you doing today?
Good morning, David. I am feeling a bit tired, but this coffee is helping me wake up.
I definitely need 2 large cups of coffee to start my busy day. Did you see the news about the new global trade regulations?
You mean the recent agreement? Signed by 10 different countries?
Yes, that is the one. It is very big news for my sales department.
It is quite interesting. It changes how we export our products to those 10 countries.
I think it makes everything much more expensive for our clients.
Perhaps. But it also opens 5 new markets for our company to explore.
That is a very good point. I really hope it helps us sell more products this year.
We need to study the new rules very carefully with our legal team.
I agree with you. It is a lot of extra work for them, but it is necessary.
Changing the subject. Did you see the news about the new solar energy project in the desert?
You mean the massive project that uses 10,000 solar panels?
Exactly. It is a huge project for clean and sustainable energy.
I really like it. It is good for the planet and it might lower our energy bills.
It uses 2 new types of advanced batteries to store power for the night.
That sounds very smart. Technology is moving so fast these days.
It really is. I think this project is the future of green energy.
I hope it works well. We definitely need cheaper energy for this office.
It is a big step for the environment and for our future.
Speaking of big changes, did you hear about the new museum rules in Paris?
You mean the news about moving the 3 famous paintings to a new building?
Yes, they are moving them to a new modern building next month.
I read about that. It is a very controversial decision for the art world.
Many people are very angry because they love the old museum building.
I understand them. It is a place with 200 years of history and charm.
But the new building has 4 floors and much better security for the art.
That is true. It protects the art for the next 100 years or more.
I guess it is a good change for the future of the collection.
Maybe, but I will miss the old building and its beautiful windows.
I think we should visit the museum before they move everything there.
That is a great idea. We can go there on a weekend soon.
I am free next month, if you want to go together.
Perfect. I will check my calendar today and let you know.
Great. Is your current project going well this week?
It is very busy. I have 3 long meetings this afternoon.
I have 2 meetings with important clients later today.
Good luck with your sales calls this morning.
Thank you. Good luck with your project management tasks.
We are both very busy people today, as always.
That is the normal life of an office worker, I suppose?
True. Do you want another cup of coffee before we go?
No, 2 cups are enough for me today, thank you.
Okay. I need to go back to my computer to finish my report.
Me too. I have many emails to answer before my first meeting.
See you later at lunchtime in the break room.
Yes, see you later. Have a very productive morning.
You too. Work hard and stay focused on your goals.
I will try my best. Bye for now.
Goodbye, David.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.